Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. I'm your host Amit Joya and you're watching my YouTube channel JoyTech. Today in this tutorial I will show you how you can add or use multiple accounts on your WhatsApp. Finally the WhatsApp released the much needed feature to his application. Now user can use multiple accounts on a same WhatsApp. To getting this feature on your devices, keep watching this full video and after that you will all know how it works. So let's start today's topic. Firstly, if you are an iOS user, go to your App Store, or if you are an Android user, go to your Play Store, and in the search bar type here WhatsApp, and make sure that you have been fully updated version of your application or not. If it is required, please update it first, then go back, open your WhatsApp, tap at your profile right at the corner. Now tap at accounts, and down the bottom you can see a second last option, add account. Simply tap it here. Now page that screen you can see, tap at plus sign. Now page that screen you can see, tap at agree and continue. Now appears at my screen you can see, now select your country, USA, United States, India or anything. I am from Pakistan, so I am selecting Pakistan. Now down there you can enter your mobile number. Now tap at next. Now tap at switch. Please wait for the SMS. Appears my screen you can see the SMS code has been received, and appears my screen you can see number has been verified. Tap at skip, tap at skip, again tap at skip. Now page at screen you can see, enter your username, tap at next. Page my screen you can see my second account number is been added in my WhatsApp. Now go back. Now open your WhatsApp. Now tap and hold at your profile, and down the bottom you can see your multiple accounts. Now if you want to switch another account, simply tap at another account, and like this you can use your multiple accounts on a very same WhatsApp. I hope this video is helpful for you. If the video is helpful for you, please hit the like button and share it with your friends, and finally don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel too. And if you have any question related this or other, please comment me below. Thanks for watching.